With the world being so different in these crazy COVID times, the words safe and secure have taken on a whole new meaning. For the fortunate purchaser of this outstanding property, you'll feel safe and secure in this blue chip, close to everything location, but you'll also own a turn-of-the-century home with so many options to choose from. My name's Cam Gregg from One Agency West Coast. Let's take a quick look around and see why this may be the treasure you've been waiting for up until now that you hadn't found. If you're chasing a foothold in this premium sought-after suburb, this classic turn-of-the-century property will offer you just that. An ideal renovation project is the most obvious option, showcasing jarrah floorboards and double-height ceilings with ornate cornicing. A rear extension would seem to be the most practical way to renovate, with the generous 540 square metres of land giving you a heap of area not commonly found in the area. Perhaps you'd prefer to raise and custom build your very own dream home. A bit of vision could turn the residence into something truly spectacular. Your mind will do backflips with the bounty of possibility this versatile property presents. If you're searching for an immediate portfolio pleaser in an enviable inner city suburb, this is it. The potential rental returns are obvious if you're wanting to land bank and take advantage of the projected growth in the Perth property market, or leasing the home short term while waiting for your plans to be approved. For viewing opportunities or to discuss your real estate needs, please contact me on the number on your screen.